Slide 6. Big data has touched industries ranging from finances, telecom, healthcare, banking, etc. However, it is not prominent in the shipping industry. But big data and distributed shipping go hand in hand. Why? Because an industry that is mainly dependent upon natural factors could profit big time with the innovated that big data is. Now, big data in the shipping industry does not vary the data of these industries. Instead, they vary in their own profits that will innovate their company on the big data that they can gather to their transactions in every port from import to export.